morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Happy Friday. It is Friday, the October 23rd. We got two items here on the economic calendar. So let's start with it's basically all the market ones. So we got the market PMI manufacturing. So in the month of September, we had a 53.2 forecast gone for an uptick to a 53.4. And it did have a slight uptick, but not quite the expectations to 53.3. So decent number there in manufacturing. Now, for the services side, we have a market, services PMI. We had a 54.6 in September, and it was forecast for remain unchanged and actually jumped up to 56. So, a pretty good spike there in the month of October for the services industry. So, we'll say kudos to those guys. Let's jump over to the headline news. Right now, stocks are mixed. The only one in positive territory is S&P 500, and it's pretty light trading right now. So early on, it's kind of relatively light. All eyes are on the stimulus talks, and again, they're just waiting to see if anything happens. Most likely, even if there is an agreement, there may not be a package before the elections because it takes time for it to be processed and everything. But it is deemed to be necessary for us to kind of get the economy moving along. To move on here, we got Gilead received FDA approval for the remdesivir drug that helped COVID patients that were hospitalized. Not a vaccine, but it helped with those who were hospitalized. And obviously that's good news right there as well. We continue to get Q3 corporate earnings reports, but to be honest, nothing really big to report on that. So we'll just move over to mortgage-backed securities, see what's going on with mortgage rates today. We did start off the morning a little bit lower at the 100-day moving average. Since then, we pulled up a little bit. We're currently up about 5 basis points. Not enough for any change in pricing, so pricing will remain unchanged from what we saw yesterday. Let's move on to yields. Yields are way up there. It's getting close to the next technical level, which we can see here is right around the 0.88 level here. Right now, we're up about 0.84. And as you can see, we've been testing way up at 0.86, but it has scaled back a little bit on there. We'll have to wait and see if, with these big wicks here, sometimes that tends to be a sign of a trend reversal. So we'll have to kind of see if that will happen or not. But in any case, we are up here in this level here that we haven't been in for a while. But 0.84 currently. So again, put a wrap for the day. We have mortgage rates are unchanged from what we saw yesterday. And if you guys are in the process of looking for a refinance or a purchase, please stay tuned. If you guys are looking for more information, I'll leave a link at the end of this video as well as in the description that you can go and gather information. I'll give you information regards to loan programs and different answers, common questions that are out there. And if you guys don't receive the answer that you're looking for, my contact information will be on the website. You can reach out to me as well. I am a loan officer and I work with a national company, and we can certainly help you out with your needs, whether it's getting pre-qualified and help finance your next property, to helping with your refinancing needs, to refinance could be taking equity of your property, to getting a lower rate, to maybe different term going from a 30-year to a 15-year fix, to coming up with different solutions. Maybe you're going through a situation with a divorce, or perhaps you're looking to retire in the next few years. You need to do some planning. Maybe got kids that you're trying to look at college planning ahead, and we can certainly use a mortgage to help obtain those goals as well. We have a lot of different strategies we can work with you on. So please feel free to reach out. You guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in Monday's video. Bye-bye.